guys, welcome back to the channel. A new day has started. Date is 16th of March. We have left Tosh village behind and we are proceeding towards Atal Tunnel, and which we are going to cross of course and head to Keelong in Lahaul district. Currently passing through Kulu. ये सारा Kulu है and the Bias river flowing beside it. I believe this is all Kulu market. Roads are pretty good. There was a huge 4-lane highway. Although in some places work is still going on of construction, but once it's all complete, this will form the main stretch of the Buntar Manali bypass. So there is a signboard. Wow, Rotang 91, Leh 512, Manali 37, Naggar 27. For the uninitiated, Atal Rotang Tunnel was inaugurated on 3rd of October 2020. It was inaugurated by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It is a boon for the people who live here, especially the people of Lahaul Valley who were previously cut off from the rest of the world during the winter months. Now Atal Rotang Tunnel, they claim, is an all-weather tunnel. So now even if the Rotang Pass is closed, that region, the Lahaul region and beyond, will not be cut off from the rest of the country anymore. Thanks to this 9.02 kilometer tunnel built by the magnificent genius of an organization, BROA. We are going to reach the tunnel in another 2 kilometers. Bear in mind that the tunnel has a lot of speed cameras. So overspeeding is something which you should not do. It's the last place where you want to get yourself on the wrong side of the law, and it is very well maintained and all the rules are followed strictly. It's the showpiece project of the state, and the sanctity and the discipline, I believe, should be maintained. बुकिंग नहीं है, जाके करना पड़ेगा।
भैया तो फोटो खींच सकते हैं भैया,
फोटो खींच सकते हैं
2 मिनट इधर
इधर
फोटो खींच सकते
फोटो खींच सकते हैं थोड़ा।
ये तो फोटो खींच ले भैया। भैया थोड़ा स्लो करना इधर
इधर लेफ्ट में स्लो,
एक बार সবাই নাম
इधर 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 इधर
नाम से नाम 2 मिनट 1 मिनट नाम खींचो तो भाई 1 मिनट সবাই নাম
चल चल चल। यहाँ पे हो गया कांड।
बड़ा सा चला नहीं कर रहे।
अरे यार शिट मैन शिट।
भाई उस हमने बीच का
बुकिंग नहीं कराया ना अपने।
बुकिंग होती तो जाने देते।
कहाँ से जाते स्नोफॉल होते तो और भी बुकिंग टाइम लगता তুলি না তোল
যাচ্ছে তো গাড়িটা যাচ্ছে। ये सबको अलाउ नहीं करता है क्या? हाय सबको अलाउ नहीं करता है, वो गाड़ी जा रहा है उधर।
लोकल था उसमें क्या
उसमें लोकल था।
ड्रीमलैंड भाई পুরো প্রপার উইন্টার ड्रीमलैंड।
ইস ভাই যেতে পারলাম না।
কালকে আবার আসবে
পারবো? গাড়ি তো আছেই।
গাড়ি এই গাড়ি থাকবে না, ছেড়ে দেবো।
একে ছেড়ে দিবি?
অবভিয়াসলি
कल लाना पड़ेगा दोबारा।
अभी कांड हो गया है, आगे किलोंग में मौसम खराब है, हम लोग को वापस भेजा जा रहा है और इट्स डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, अटर डिसअपॉइंटमेंट।
करेंगे क्या? हाय
अभी बात करेंगे
ना, जो बाहर पुलिस है।
फिर मतलब किस चीज़ की, कल आए या फिर अभी?
अभी आएंगे, कल भी आए हैं। कल मौसम ठीक रहा था।
कोई जुगाड़ है क्या? होता है
तब वहाँ बोलो सुबह जल्दी निकले था ना, इस टाइम को हाँ मतलब लेट हो गया।
It's an utter disappointment guys. The weather in Keelong has deteriorated and we have been sent back.
দাঁড়িয়ে ফটো তুলছি
This is yeah. Few cars were standing there and taking photos. We are all sent back because of the bad weather conditions. Now we have to head back along this tunnel. You should listen to the border police here because you should not.
ওখানে দাঁড়া দিতে পারতাম আজকে এরকম
You cannot take any risks with the nature, with Mother Nature. So yeah, if weather is really bad, it makes sense to go back. There is a valid reason we are sent back. It's disappointing, but yeah, that's how it is. It's all about luck. But the only thing is they could have let us stop over there and enjoy the view a bit. It was all hurry rush and we were literally forced back into the tunnel once again. But Vinod, what do you think? Will we make another plan tomorrow attempt?
Yeah, we should. We need to leave early from Manali.
So right now, the thing is we have to pit stop at Manali right now. Nothing doing.
बाहर जाके
We've been sent back. We have crossed the Atal Rohtang tunnel again and we're over here on the other side, back to square one. But the snowfall has started. I don't know if you can see. There is snow on my palm, on my wrist. Beautiful. The entire place is a wintry wonderland really.
ভাই আমার হাফ প্লিজ ভাই স্যান্ডেল পরে
आप मिले एकदम सामने से।
There are a lot of convoys on the other side. All of the cars were sent back. Sprinkles of snow falling on my jacket. Since we couldn't go up, I'm trying to do some self-exploration in this meadow, in this valley. Oh, there are people who have climbed so far up there. I don't have snowshoes on. These are the basic decathlon shoes. I don't know whether I'm well equipped to go this up. See, going up is easy, but coming down is a whole different ball game. Oh, what a weather, man. It's freezing cold. It must be -1. Yeah, it is easily -1. Now we don't know what to do with the driver. Should we go in Manali, wait there, then come again tomorrow, or overall ditch the idea? Nothing is certain. After our Keelong Atal Tunnel debacle, we have come to Manali and taken a hotel to rest and plan our next course of action. Exactly overlooking the Mall. This is the room. It's a very old property, but it gets the basics right. There's a sofa and a table, nice comfy bed. There's a TV which probably you're never gonna watch. Overall room is spacious, it's big. Let me show you the bathroom. Bathroom also pretty neat and clean, Western style, 24 hours running hot water. Gets all the basics right. Now let me show you the view from here, from the balcony. Vlog cholche bhai. So this is the view, guys. We are exactly overlooking the mall. This is Manali Mall. You're right on it, right on the mall. This is a bit of an anticlimax, given we were supposed to be surrounded by snow right now, but instead we are in Manali. But that's the thing, it's a force majeure condition, climate, nothing in our hand. So here we are. But it's a very good place for people watching. And a lot of cafes on the road. This is, you know, the very commercialized. No dearth of eateries and retail and food and everything. There is the Van Vihar, which is a nice park full of pine trees. You can go there, you know, have a quiet stroll in it, sit down somewhere, relax, read a book. Right in front is the HRTC bus terminus, and the Volvo to Delhi also starts somewhere around there. Tourism Bhavan. Chin up, guys, it's gonna be okay. So the thing is that
So fingers crossed.
we checked the weather forecast that today and tomorrow will be heavy snowfall in Lahore region again. So we have made a deal with our driver that we will try, and let me emphasize and put stress on the word try, to go to Keelong and Sisu on Thursday. Thursday we'll go, we'll stay one night and gonna come back if weather permits, because fingers crossed, as he said, anything can go wrong in a split second here over in the hills. One moment there is sunshine, second moment there is heavy snowfall and the tunnel is closed.
Mountain got the calling the shot, right?
Yeah, of course. You can't. You are just a mere mortal against these forces. So if Lahore and Lahore Valley really wants that we visit her, we will visit. And if she doesn't want, then of course we won't be able to. It's all in the cards. So right now, fingers crossed, praying hard, guys.
Well, it's very happening, as you can see.
Yep.
Lights and people all around.
We are at the Mall. Every hill station in India built by the British has a Mall, be it Darjeeling, be it
We have
Gangtok.
our own mall in Darjeeling.
Yeah, Darjeeling,
And
Gangtok, Mussoorie, Shimla, and now Manali. I can say I've been to all the malls, including Mussoorie's malls. All malls done. Jain food coming. Good morning, people from Manali. Just staying over the Mall Road in this hotel Highway Inn, which I've showed. Very convenient location. Just bang on the exact Mall Road itself. So after digesting the disappointment of yesterday's failure debacle at the Atal Tunnel, we have decided to make the most of today and leave all the disappointment behind. We can always go back tomorrow because weather is all cleared up today. I'm hoping we'll have another shot. So why not make the most of today and explore Manali at an idyllic place? The main highlight today will be Jogini Waterfalls and Old Manali. Jogini Waterfalls is a very popular waterfall, a very popular hike from here, around 7.5 kilometers. I don't know the way. I think Avinoj knows. There are a lot of vlogs you may have seen about it. It's a very idyllic walk, and the end, when you finish the walk, the views are very rewarding. There's a waterfall falling around 500 meters, and yeah, there's a lot of greenery if you come in the monsoon. I must tell you this t-shirt which I'm wearing, Yak 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 Yak, is the same t-shirt which I bought 5.5 years ago when I last visited Manali in 2015 with my parents. I bought this t-shirt here and I'm wearing it here. So the circle is complete. Tourism is slowly coming back to life over here. Of course, foreigners are less, or rather very little or to non-existent. But we Indians, we can make a lot of difference to the local people here by supporting their businesses. Now that things are slowly turning to normal in this part of India. ये है सारा महल, यहाँ पे महल ख़त्म होती है. पीछे है मनाली क्लब हाउस, ये है कुंजुम होटल, इसके नीचे HPTTC का ऑफिस है. अगर जानकारी वोल्वो बुकिंग HPTTC के कुछ भी करना हो तो विजिट कुंजुम होटल के नीचे HPTTC का टूरिस्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन, ऑफिशियल गवर्नमेंट का टूरिस्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफिस. दे विल गिव यू ऑल इन्फॉर्मेशन, genuine information. So you need any information which is genuine and not to be influenced by touts, visit HPTTC tourist office. Currently looking for an auto which will take us to Vashisht temple. From Manali Mall Road took an auto. Now we are in Vashisht. यहाँ पे आगे ऑटो रोक देती है, यहाँ से थोड़ा सा चलना पड़ता है. This is the Vashisht temple behind me. Okay people, heading towards Jogini waterfall. I think the trek starts here, clearly marked. This is the trail. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे trails हैं मनाली में. अविनोज बता रहा था एक जोगिनी है, 2-3 treks और है यहाँ पे. I heard there are a lot of trails over here. Can you tell me the names of the few other treks?
There is this one, that is the Jogini waterfall. Then there is the Biaskun trek that takes 1 night 2 days probably, and besides that I think there is, what is that called, the Bijli Mahadev is there, that also takes a day's hike at most.
So
and
all these treks these trails are all clearly marked. These trails,
yeah. These are more or less clearly marked,
like this one. This village is very beautiful and quaint, and also equipped with modernities like solar cells. Literally every house, every corner has a solar cell post. Another traditional Himachali house. I think the Nagar castle is also built like this.
somewhat, yeah.
Look who we found. Another canine friend. You. I'm Jenny. चलो हमारे साथ आज के. Let's go. Follow us to the trek today. Lead us. Come. देखिए इजरायली गारंटी है इजरायली। ये थे पीछे कुछ NGOs आई थिंक और रन एंड ऑपरेटेड बाय फॉरेनर्स जो वहाँ के कचरा साफ करते हैं। एज यूजुअल wherever people go plastic pollution increases and these people जो मनाली के में रहते रहते मनाली के ही हो गए, even if they are from a foreign country, they are helping to preserve the environment and clear all its wastes. It's a good thing and a bad thing also that हमारे रहते हुए इनको करना पड़ रहा है, but of course it's a noble initiative they've taken, so hats off to them. I think the forest starts from here, dense jungle, dense forest, sunlight is not reaching. मज़ा आने वाला है यहाँ पे ट्रेक करके। करने जा रहा हूँ जिप लाइन, ये है मनाली की ओल्डेस्ट जिप लाइन एज दे क्लेम। तो यहाँ से मैं सीधा वहाँ जाऊँगा, फिर उसी उल्टी साइड से उस रोप से वापस आऊँगा। फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम डूइंग जिप लाइन, लेकिन मनाली आओ तो पैराग्लाइडिंग, ड्राफ्टिंग, जिप लाइन एक भी ना करो तो क्या ही मज़ा है। सो लेट मी जस्ट ट्राई। तो मनाली आइए और अगर आप शेर दिल है तो ट्राई कीजिए मनाली की ओल्डेस्ट जिप लाइन। क्या नाम है आपका? मनाली जिप लाइन।
मनाली जिप लाइन टीम।
ये है जोगिनी वाटरफॉल्स के रास्ते।
आ जाइए।
डर के आगे जीत है गाइस।
फुल वेट। स्ट्रेच योर लेग्स।
काच पर नंबर में रखे, हाथ से कहीं
नेगेटिव।
3 2 1 गो। हाँ अरे अरे थोड़ा कांड हो गया है भाई। आपको ये राइट हैंड को थोड़ा घूम गया था मैं।
आपके हाथ में लगा तो नहीं?
After that exhilarating zipline experience, we are now entering the dense jungle. Not sure whether this is the Jogini waterfall's final destination where we have to come, or I can see the waterfall falling from hundreds of meters up there and finally being a stream here. As we found out, if you go up here, somewhere over there is the Jogini waterfalls viewpoint. Oh god, look where they have gone. So there's a Jogini waterfalls viewpoint up here, and if you go up from here, there are some caves, Jogini caves. Of course there is one cave here as well. You can take this route or you can take this route. We are taking this route. It has stairs and a well-marked trail, but oh god, it's very precarious up there. ओए अभिनव जगह रास्ता नहीं बोलचे। Abhinav has got no chill. He's the Himalayan scorpion. strikes when you expect the least. Oh. How's the road up ahead, Adi? Yeah, there are steps here.
This guy just keeps on calling and receiving calls from his office.
Adi, बहुत हो गया. अब बॉस को बोलो बाय, ट्रैकिंग को बोलो हाय. Workaholic, married to his work. First wife, job. Second
Sad
wife,
life.
not found yet. Or maybe he has found it.
That guy has climbed up till there.
Yeah. Behind me is the drop of the Jogini waterfalls. I don't know whether the camera is doing justice to it. I know camera just won't do justice, but it's so big. It's so the drop is clearly it will be 500 meters at least. Right. But we were thinking there was another trail which brings us even more closer to the waterfall. Now the trek is a bit precarious over there. Not sure whether we'll do it or not. A lot of people are going on the other side. Lots of people are going. But this is also a very good view. During the rainy season, the waterfall is in even more force. In its full swing. It's the spring, so what you see, maybe it's 60% capacity. But come monsoon, the place is even lush greener. Now there's a lot of barrenness, if you see, a lot of barrenness around. But during the monsoon, this place is lush green, full of lichens, mushrooms. The trails are muddy, the soil is fresh, the mountains are green, and the waterfall is in its full force. So come in monsoon for the best, to see the waterfall in its absolute fiercest best. Coming down the same way we went up. We're not going to that part. The trek is quite treacherous and exciting.
There is no trail as such.
But there's no trail as such. The waterfall view is a bit closer than where we went, of course, and the view of the snow-capped mountains is always there. But we didn't have too bad of a view. It's pretty nice. But the trek up there will take a lot of time. Wow. To get your creamy waterfall shot?
Yes, I did. I'm happy.
Show me one. Ah. Okay. Brilliant, brilliant. Look at the size of this dog. This is lion. Come up, Ajao. So what's the plan now, guys?
Yeah, we are returning back to Vasist. Then from there we'll be heading to Manali.
Manali Mal
Our base
for the night.
for the night.
Yeah, but for the day we'll rest a bit. In the evening, what's the plan?
In the evening, we are planning to
We will go pub.
go to
or
pubbing
Pub hopping in Old Manali.
in Old Manali. Over there, a lot of old pubs and
hip places.
hip places.
Yeah, Old Manali, guys, is very, very hipster. So many pubs, cafes, tattoo shops. Allurements here and there. You know what I mean. We're gonna head there. Guys, plan was to go to Old Manali, but after coming back we had the most awesome roti chicken. and we slept like anything.
That was what? Curry chicken or what?
Rara chicken.
Rara chicken.
Rara chicken.
The Rara chicken.
We slept like maniacs, and now we are too tired, and it's too late. It's almost 10 to go to Old Manali, and tomorrow we are going to have a second attempt at going to Sisu if weather permits. Fingers crossed. So Old Manali हम लोग जाएंगे after returning from Sisu. Little bit change of plan, but we were too tired. The trip was becoming too hectic. Treks, travel, then trek. We needed that sleep, guys. So आज खत्म करते हैं ट्रिप, आज खत्म करते हैं vlog यहीं पे. If you like this video, you know the drill. Like it, comment what you feel like, share it amongst your friends, and also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification first. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I hope, is going to be awesome. Till then, stay safe. Good night, everyone.